Morning.
Morning.
Ardal.
Yes, it's great to see you.
I'm super because we met in Llandrindog.
We did in the county hall, wasn't it? We did. Yeah.
My colleague Sandra.
Yes, and we met as well there. Yes, that's great. You've got a fine start.
Yeah, on the site already.
It's a nice little area there.
It's great. I know.
If you could look at me, Minister. That's it. It's lovely.
Do you want me to read it again?
Thank you. Deal.
So we're here today just doing some training on Makaton level 1. So we have families here, we have early years setting staff, teachers, and some other professionals as well. So we're a really lovely mix.
And a grandparent.
And grandparents.
Very jealous of this.
Envious, yes. We were thinking, how can we get this back home with us?
I'm gonna go cross, 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 and straighten. And once more, cross, 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 and straighten. But you're just gonna push in the gentle bounce and then straighten again. Push, 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 and straighten.
How they can tolerate that as well and build it down first. So it's going to go down on the right side.
It's been fabulous seeing these fantastic facilities, and I'm, so pleased that the Welsh Government's money has been able to help towards creating this. So thank you all so much, and the fantastic work that you're doing. And I've really enjoyed. It's been so interesting, seeing the Makaton and the flying start and the baby massage. In fact, I could stay here for hours.